What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be doing a Pretty Palace glitter haul. So I've bought from them once before. That's what these are right here. So I'm just going to show you those, and I do have examples of them in resin so you get to see what they look like in a project. And then I'm going to go through some of the new ones I got. So before this, I was getting my glitters from SHEA, but I was paying the same price for like less than an ounce as these, and you would get like usually 2 or 2.5 ounces of glitter. And I have just been so obsessed with them. They are gorgeous. I honestly love them more than the SHEA glitter. So yeah, that's why I ordered some more. So my first order, okay, we got, this is My Little Kingdom, and it's kind of like a pink and a purple mix. So here is, I am a cardiac nurse, so I make these heart badges. So there it is in that one, and then here it is again. It's really pretty. All right, then we have Opal Palace, which is gorgeous. It's like a pinkish opal. So that's gonna be this one right here. So pretty. This is Pink Tiara, and it's just kind of like a light iridescent pink. All right, let me find, is it this one? I don't know if I have an example of that one. It's really pretty though. Okay, this one I love. This is Pink Lemonade XL. So here is Pink Lemonade. And then this is Light Pink Reflections. And that is this one. Yes. And then this is Bashful. As you can see, I'm almost completely out of it. I should have gotten another one. I love it so much. So it's like a very finely milled, it's like a very fine glitter, like a light pink. Here is a heart using Bashful. All right, so now let's go into the ones I got. And I also love that their pink section is the largest section, and that's where I spend most of my time. Okay, so first I got, this is Peach Fuzz. Ooh, that's really pretty. It's like a fine iridescent peach. Okay, this is Bubblegum Palace. Okay, that looks like it has a little bit of pink and purple in it as well. Let's compare it to this one. So it's more pink than, what's this one called? My Little Kingdom. But I do see some like a little bit of purple in there. Okay, this is First Crush. So this is kind of like a coral pink. I know somebody's gonna be like, these all look the same, but they're not. I'm like a pink connoisseur, you know. I was telling someone like, you know, I try to make projects in other colors, and they're like, you should just embrace it, because you know, if you love pink that much, but somebody else will as well. And I'm like, you know what, you're right. Okay, then I had to get like this rose gold one. This is Fairy Godmother. Like, can we talk about that? So this is more of like a medium cut pinkish rose gold. Oh, look at that. That is going to be stunning. I will admit some of these do look similar. Like these two kind of look the same. Micro Cotton Candy and First Crush. So this is Micro Cotton Candy. One of them I think is color changing. I think. All 2.5 ounces. Then I got this Gold Patina Deep Purple. Look how cool that is. It's like purple with gold flecks. I thought that was really unique. And this is like a large cut glitter, so I'm not the biggest fan of, but I just thought this was so unique. Oh my gosh, I love that she sends you an airhead with your order. Alright, and my last glitter is Radical Raspberry. And it says Tart. Maybe this is one of the color changing ones. Oh, that's so pretty. I did get some vinyl. How many did I get? 1 or 2? I got this one, which is Pastel Rainbow. I think that's all the only one I got. Yeah, it is. Okay, but I hope that helped anyone who's thinking about getting some glitters from It's Pretty Personal. I would definitely recommend them. I have just been obsessed since I got my first order. So yeah, this is definitely like the pink coral edition. Alright, I'll see you guys later.